Module Overview. Module 9 focuses on the automation of HR compliance, legal obligations, and risk management processes, which are critical for mitigating organizational risks, ensuring adherence to labor laws, and protecting the company from potential liabilities. Traditional compliance management relies heavily on manual record keeping, human monitoring, periodic audits, and scattered documentation, which can lead to errors, delayed responses, and legal vulnerabilities. This module explores how HR software tools streamline compliance tracking, automate regulatory reporting, monitor legal requirements, and identify risk exposure proactively. You will gain comprehensive knowledge of automated compliance management systems, legal documentation tools, risk assessment platforms, audit management, and reporting dashboards, enabling HR teams to reduce errors, save time, maintain regulatory adherence, and safeguard organizational reputation. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the scope of HR compliance, legal, and risk management processes that can be automated. Implement HR software tools for tracking labor laws, regulatory requirements, and risk mitigation strategies. Design automated workflows that ensure timely compliance, documentation, and reporting. Utilize analytics to monitor legal compliance, identify risk exposure, and prevent potential violations. Address ethical, legal, and organizational considerations in automated compliance and risk management. Module Overview. HR compliance automation involves using technology to monitor labor laws, regulations, internal policies, and ethical standards, ensuring consistent adherence across the organization. Risk management automation identifies, evaluates, and mitigates HR-related risks, reducing exposure to legal, financial, and reputational damage. Key areas for automation in compliance and risk management: monitoring labor law changes and statutory requirements, employee contracts, agreements, and legal documentation management, health, safety, and workplace compliance tracking, automated alerts for policy violations, certifications, and deadlines, internal audits and reporting automation, risk assessment and mitigation workflow automation, integration with HRIS, payroll, and benefit systems for holistic compliance. Types of compliance and risk management software tools. Modern HR platforms provide advanced solutions for automating compliance and risk management. Compliance management systems, CMS, track labor law adherence, internal policies, certifications, and audit readiness. Legal documentation platforms, store, manage, and automate contracts, agreements, and legal forms. Risk assessment tools. Identify HR-related risks, prioritize them, and recommend mitigation strategies. Automated reporting dashboards. Provide real-time compliance metrics, audit trails, and regulatory reports. Incident and case management systems. Track workplace incidents, grievances, and legal cases for timely resolution. Integration tools. Connect compliance data with payroll, benefits, performance, and HR analytics systems for centralized monitoring. Benefits of automating HR compliance and risk management. Automation provides operational, strategic, and protective benefits. Accuracy and efficiency. Reduces manual errors in compliance tracking and reporting. Timely regulatory adherence. Ensures deadlines for statutory filings, certifications, and policy updates are met. Risk mitigation. Identifies and addresses potential HR risks proactively before they escalate. Audit readiness. Maintains organized, accessible, and traceable records for internal and external audits. Transparency and accountability. Clear reporting and documentation enhance organizational integrity and employee trust. Strategic insights. Analytics inform HR policies, risk management strategies, and workforce planning.